Hi everyone. You may want to use the template that I've provided, an Illustrator template, along with this lesson. Or if you choose to do a phone of a different size, you just need to recreate that, that phone, kind of like I've done here, the size and etc. And you're going to be adding your information to make a comp. You're going to be translating your website designs into just this smaller device. I wanted to show you something here. We haven't spoken about adding gestures too much yet. So let's just say I am building my wireframe and I need to communicate what's happening here. So essentially, here's the user experience, user interaction, everything here. And really need to explain what's going to happen if somebody were to come along and click on any of these things. So number one, you want to add labels. And I would definitely keep things on a separate layer. And as you can see, I'm just explaining what's happening in these areas. All right, click for a larger image, swipe right for more info, press out. But you really need to add gestures to really show what's going on. And let me go ahead and pull those up now. So go ahead and read those notes, and do things begin to make a little more sense? Obviously, if you were to press the circle where the logo is, would take you to home. Click for a larger image, it might do that. Down here, we all know what this is. We just press our fingers there and either open or close, and press and pull in out to a larger reduce the image. Swipe right for more info. So those really help. So I'm wanting you to add these symbols to your comp as well as your UI UX. All right, so yours is going to be a little more colorful than this. And then just wanted to go through this note with you. Look at the lorem ipsum here and here and here. Change your lorem ipsum, your Greeking, to look like different copy blocks. I mean, do you see right now how animal 3 and animal 4 are the same lorem ipsum right there and there? Well, wouldn't the copy be different if the two animals were different? Make the copy look real and adhere to good typography fundamentals. For example, bad type, try not to have a hyphenated word in the first sentence. So animal 3 and 4, we've got con, comma, and then two lines later, we've got camo, hyphen, and I should have said hyphen. But then it's repeated here, and that just looks really amateurish, really like you don't know what you're doing. So clean it up. In your folder this week, I've given you this wireframe library.ai, just a sample document. There's so many. If you do a Google search, there's so many kits and templates that are free, but you're welcome to use this one. Kind of has some of the different gestures and behaviors, some lorem ipsum, just some different buttons. If you are welcome to use that. And then here are some student samples actually of the mobile device with their UI UX labeling gestures added, and you may want to replicate the way they've done it or another way. You might again take this and take a look at what this person has done. I mean, I think everybody can improve on what they've done, but this looked very nice. If a client saw it, they actually used images of a real phone instead of just the outline. Same thing here, just another example of labeling, just using the black circles with A, B, C, D. It kind of helps what's going on. Again, a little simpler. I think the first two are a little more tidy, a little easier to read, but again, what does it take to communicate what's going on your screens? And coming down to this last one, really simple, but definitely communicate. So less is better, less is more, but be real efficient with everything. And oh yeah, this last little image, our Bug Explorer image, our website, that's kind of how that would look, and obviously you already improved that, so hopefully this assignment's going to go really smoothly for you. I'm excited to see everything. Good work.